Traveling with medications? Don't make these mistakes. Airport security with meds can be stressful, but with the right prep, it's smooth sailing. Here are 10 essential tips to help. Pack in your personal item. Always keep essential meds under the seat, not in checked bags or overhead bins. Original packaging only. Prescription labels must match your ID. Don't decant liquids. Leave liquid meds in original containers. Use a clear bag. Keep all meds in a separate, transparent bag for screening. Declare your items. Let TSA know about liquid meds, ice packs, or devices. Be smart about devices. Tell agents if you have pacemakers, insulin pumps, etc. Know the powder rules. Powders over 12 Oz need extra screening. Baby formula is usually exempt. Check country laws. Some meds are banned abroad. Research all destinations and transit points. Avoid cannabis complications. Even if prescribed, it's risky to fly with, especially internationally. Pack extras and info. Bring extra doses and a list of your meds and doctor info, just in case. Bonus tip. TSA Cares and TSA PreCheck can help. Plan ahead, arrive early, and fly stress-free. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until then, safe travels, and I'll see you in that next video soon. Bye.